Okay, I just started putting this cookie dough into the oven. This is gonna stay here for about 11 minutes, and then I'm gonna pull them out 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna put them back for another 5 minutes. Okay, here they are. Right. Right now it's already past 3 minutes. Right, as you can see there. Now is 4 more minutes. Right. That's how they look right now. I still have 4 more minutes. Then I'm gonna take them out for 30 seconds. I'm gonna put them back in for another. Right now it's about 11 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna pull them out. I'm gonna let them sit outside for 30 seconds, and then I'll put them back for another 5 minutes in the oven. Okay. So right. By the way, this is 375 degree Fahrenheit. It's a preheat. Right. For 30 seconds. I'm just gonna take a video for this. So this is after 11 minutes. Okay, I'm putting them back right now. The 5 minutes. All right, after the 30 seconds, when I pull them out, just to air them out, these are the final or the baked product for this. All right. All right. I don't have a name for them yet. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel once I'm done. This is the baked cookies after the 5 minutes. Okay. I'm letting them sit right now for a bit before I transfer them to the strainer. These are the baked cookies. Okay, and I don't have a name for these cookies yet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is once I'm done, this is the second batch of this. I just completed the second batch, and right now I'm trying to kind of let the heat comes out of the cookies. Right, I'm gonna let them sit here for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'll put them in a bag for future uses. Okay.